How to fix a scanner not found or connected error in macOS. If you are scanning a document or photo, and you receive an error message stating that the scanner cannot be found, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Note: after each step shown in this video, attempt to scan with the printer to see if the issue is resolved. If it is not resolved, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Reset the printing system. Resetting the printing system on a Mac can resolve problems such as print jobs stuck in the queue, connection issues, and incomplete driver setups. Select the spotlight icon in the top menu bar, and then search for and open Printers and Scanners. Control-click in the Printers list and select Reset Printing System. Then click Reset. Restart the printer. Select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax in the Printers and Scanners window. Select your printer from the list, and then click Add. Step 2. Uninstall the HP software and use the HP Smart app. Search for and open HP Easy Start in Finder. If you do not have HP Easy Start installed, you can download it for free by going to 123.hp.com/setup and click the Install HP Easy Start button. Click the HP Easy Start drop-down on the top menu bar, and then select Uninstall HP software. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall all HP software. Open the Mac App Store, and then search for and install HP Smart for desktop. In Finder, search for and open HP Smart. Select the plus icon on the home screen and follow the on-screen instructions to add your printer. Once your printer has been added in HP Smart, you can scan by selecting the Scan tile from the home menu. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.